Greetings and welcome to the last of our Introduction to Database presentation for CIS 3107, Database Modeling. We will be covering database systems from sections 1.6 through 1.7 in our textbook. In this third presentation, you will learn the main components of the database system as well as the main functions of a database management system, DBMS. The problems inherent in file systems make using a database system very desirable. Unlike the file system with its many separate and unrelated fields, the database system consists of logically related data stored in a single logical data repository. Because the database's data repository is a single logical unit, the database represents a major change in the way end-user data is stored, accessed, and managed. The database's DBMS, shown in Figure 1.9 here, provides numerous advantages over file system management by making it possible to eliminate most of the file system's data inconsistency, data anomaly, data dependence, and structural dependence problems. The term database system refers to an organization of components that define and regulate the collection, storage, management, and use of data within a database environment. From a general management point of view, the database system is composed of the 5 major parts shown in Figure 1.10: hardware, software, people, procedures, and data. A DBMS performs several important functions that guarantee the integrity and consistency of the data in the database. Most of those functions are transparent to end users, and most can be achieved only through the use of a DBMS. They include data dictionary management, which stores definitions of data elements and their relationships. Data storage management ensures efficient performance of the database in terms of storage and access speed through performance tuning, data transformation and presentation, which transforms entered data to conform to required data structures, and security management, which enforces user security and data privacy. Other important database management system functions are multi-user access control, which uses sophisticated algorithms to ensure that multiple users can access the database concurrently without compromising its integrity. Backup and recovery management enables recovery of the database after a failure, and data integrity management, which minimizes redundancy and maximizes consistency. Other database management system functions are database access languages and application programming interfaces, which, based off of a query language, lets the user specify what must be done without having to specify how. The de facto query language and the data access standard supported by the majority of DBMS vendors is called SQL, or SQL, which stands for Structured Query Language. Our last DBMS function is Database Communication Interfaces, which accepts multiple end-user requests via different network environments. Although the database system yields considerable advantages over previous data management approaches, database systems do carry significant disadvantages. Increased costs can arise as a database system requires sophisticated hardware and software and highly skilled personnel. Management complexity increases as database systems interface with many different technologies and have a significant impact on the company's resources and culture. To maximize the efficiency of the database system, managers must perform frequent updates and apply the latest patches and security measures to all components to maintain currency. Given the heavy investment in technology and personal training, companies might be reluctant to change and become dependent on a specific vendor. Frequent update/replacement cycles, DBS vendors frequently upgrade and replace their products by adding new functionality. Not only do the upgrades themselves cost money, it also costs money to train database users and administrators to properly use and manage the new features. Now that you know what a database and DBMS are and why they are necessary, you are ready to consider developing a career as a database professional. Throughout our course, you will learn the building blocks that lay the foundation for a career as a database professional. Understanding these building blocks and developing the skills to use them effectively will prepare you to work with databases at many different levels within an organization. A small sample of such career opportunities is shown here in Table 1.3. In this third lecture, we have discussed how database management systems were developed to address the file system's inherent weaknesses. Rather than depositing data in independent files, a DBMS presents the database to the end user as a single data repository. This arrangement promotes data sharing, thus eliminating the potential problem of islands of information. In addition, the DBMS enforces data integrity, eliminates redundancy, and promotes data security. Finally, knowledge of database technologies leads to many career opportunities in the ever-expanding IT industry, where there is a variety of specialization within the database arena for a wide range of skills and expertise. Thank you for watching our Unit 1 Part 3 presentation. The diagrams and content of this lecture were derived from our textbook. For a more detailed treatment of these concepts, please review pages 21 to 30 in your textbook.